In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing the MSIX Packaging Tool Driver for your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile, and then on the left panel, scroll down and select where it says optional features. Select add a feature near the top and go ahead and search for MSIX. And there should be an MSIX Packaging Tool Driver. Check mark next to it and select add. And give that a moment to install. And then you will need to reboot your computer for the change to take effect. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.